Good day, traders. Today, my name is Danny, and this is my market review for today. This is September 28, 2020, and today I'm gonna discuss a little bit about top-down approach. Now, of course, you may wondering why in my charts I don't put a lot of indicators. I just use plain price action. Because the reason why I do that is I find that it's better to read basing on price action, because the theory that I learned through the years is that there's two forces in the market. It's either the sellers are in control or the buyers are in control. So let us begin. So this is the index, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index in the monthly view. Now, as you can see here, let us make this one bigger. Since 2009, after the real estate crash in America, our market has been on a very, very strong uptrend until just January of 2018. This is the top, right? And ever since, we went down once, tried to go back up, so that is a very important swing on a monthly, and it broke down this, so that is what I call a, give me a second there, let's draw an arrow, that is a sellers are in control. Then what happened is from November, this broke up here, broke this swing, tried to go down, which is lower than this angle, and broke this level. So that is buyers are in control. So ever since this top that was put in, which was lower than this on July of 2019, so then you would draw a trend line from there to there. That's where you would see this and this, and then the market broke down here. So if we drew another a bottom of the channel, that's how it looks like. This area broke down. Now today, since the bottom of near March of this area here, right, March, the market tried to go up strong, but was not able to even reach this particular area, which is very important, because this area was in, this low was put in October, around October or the first of November of 2018. It never go up there or reach there, and now it's going down. Now for the past 2 months, it's another sideways. So if the market maintains this area here, because this area, the low of August, is lower than September. Why? Okay. The low of August is 5,691, and the low of September is 5,695. So this is a little bit higher, so you know that there are bulls here around here, right? So our goal, or the goal of the buyers, is from this angle go back up here. If it does, then we may have a uptrend going to this area here. But currently right now, as we speak, sellers are in control in the monthly area. So let us go to the This is the weekly. Now on the weekly, it is a little bit different. Take a look at this. From the low, it went up, created another higher low because it broke this area here, went up, and now from this level it went down, tried to go up, went down, tried to go up. Now this I would see here is the bears tried to push in. Now the only way that the bulls will succeed here, because this level on August is lower than here, this is a little bit higher. So of course on my previous monthly review, this is a little bit. So let's hope the buyers can push this market here. Let's draw an arrow there. That is our hope. Oh, right. If the sellers push the market down, because there is a very strong downtrend here, or there's a trend line going here, if the bulls cannot break this trend line, then you know it's gonna follow this area here. We don't want that. We want the market to stay here and go above and reach this area here, which is 6,157. All right, so that's what we hope. But currently right now, because this is lower than this, then you know that buyers have a minor edge. Okay, so let's go to the dailies. On the dailies, that's how it looks like. It's quite different, right? As you can see here, let's make this one a little bit bigger. Take a look at that. Strong up, tried to go down, could not break this level here, which is the 5,691, and this one is 695, I guess, so a little bit. So now today's market was kind of neutral, but buyers here have control. Here you have a little bit higher high, although sellers are here. So let's hope the buyers can break this level here. Right, so that's about it. And today, if we take a look at the 5 minutes, the 5 minutes was Friday, it ended here. Today it opened there, tried to go there up above, but could not break this level here, went down, tried to go up again, went down, right? Tried to go up, tried to go down, but now currently we are on a higher point. So that's why we say this is kind of neutral. Sellers are here, and buyers are here. And then we are in the middle, so this is quite neutral, right? But today, actually, as part of this, so today was more like a neutral day. Did not really do much, but today I had something. I was quite excited because last week I noticed that, let's go to the daily. Okay, let's go to MBT. I do wow, that was good. I noticed that since the beginning of September, MBT was on a trending up, right? Trending up. So before we go into that part, let us go into take a look at the top-down review of MBT. take a look at this, guys. The monthly, basing on swings, you got here a swing, you have another swing, broke that swing, going down, right? So that's the swing there, broke up, try, but it never broke this level here, so you know sellers are still in control until this day. So we have a big, for the monthly, that's what you call a downtrend. That's it. So you got a monthly downtrend since 2017 until today. MBT never went back to its high, right? So let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly for MBT is, again, let's say on the bigger picture, I would say maybe like that. Okay, not exactly. Now let us remove this. Let us zoom into this area here. Oops. And make this one bigger. The thing is that the lowest point of MBT was 3290. This particular area, 3290. Now in this area here, why did I choose sellers are in control when this is sideways? Because the low point for last May was 3310. But on this level here, this is lower, 33.05. So you know this went up, tried to go down lower by 5 cents, but broke this lower, so which means sellers may have a slight edge. That's why this particular area, buyers pick it up. In my previous reviews, buyers are all over here, right? And their target is around here. So I was quite excited on the weeklies. Take a look at that, guys. Nice, see, nice, all trending up, right? And on the dailies, or even better, take a look at this on the dailies. Look at that. That was beautiful since September, beginning of September. But today, I pulled the plug because I noticed that. Take a look at this, guys. I gotta show you here. On the other side here is, let me check here. Oops. Just let me get out here. Take a look at this, guys. You got Sec B here, which is quite different. Since September, sideways to down. Take a look at that. MBT up, sideways to down. BDO. Since September, tried to broke out, back down. So that is quite different from this view here. And you got BPI, all the big banks. Since September, a downtrend. So that's why today I just said, I don't know if Metrobank can reach this area here, because everything is, this is what I call an outlier. This is different from the rest of the pack. So in a normal day or a normal trend, everybody should go together. But this is the only guy which is different from the rest. So I said to myself, I'd rather keep a little of my profits and just get out. That's one of the reasons why I just sold everything on MBT, because this is the stock that is opposite from the rest, right? So in another of our reviews is, let's take a look at closer on BDO. BDO is one of the companies that I also like, but so let us go to the monthly. So as you can see here, basically if we make this one bigger, BDO, yeah. So you got market straight, tried their best to go up to reach the top, could not, going down. Sellers are in control in this particular area. And if we take a look at the weeklies, still the same. As you can see here, the market reached 160 and it broke down to 75, and currently we are just wiggling. And take a look at this. Why is the seller more in control? Because it broke this level here, and then this level is 85. So now 85.10. So let's hope that BDO does not break this area. If it does not break this area, it's gonna go directly to this area here. So let us hope. If this breaks this area, then the sellers are not yet done. This might go back to 74, right? So let's go to the dailies here. And on the daily for BDO, today was very shocking. I was thinking that buyers are supporting this particular area. They could easily try to go up, but today was different. Let's take a look at today what happened to BDO. Look at that, guys. Okay, let's make this one bigger. Okay, today is the 28th. The market closed here, open here. BDO went up straight all the way, just enough to reach this point of return, and it never closed above this level, all straight down, and now it closes there. So this is not a very positive sign here. This could mean that tomorrow BDO can go open here and may have a chance to go down below 85, below 86. I'm sorry, below 86 or 85, around that area. All right. So now let's go to the last stock in our list is Ditto. Actually, Ditto is a different company than the rest of the stocks that we are looking at. Take a look at that, guys. Who's in control? Buyers. Take a look at that, guys. Sellers pushes down, pushes lower here. Let's make this one bigger. And who's catching it? Buyers. Look at that. Tried hard. Now it's going up. That's okay. Let's take a look at the weekly. There you go. Sellers are here. Buyers are changing the course. And now take a look at that. So in this scenario, I would say go up. Maybe this stock will reach around near 575, around that area, and may stall a bit. That's my thinking. And if you make this one, clone this thing, take a look at that, guys. See, around that level. So that's what I'm thinking there for this particular stock. So buyers are still in control. And let's go to the dailies. The dailies for Ditto. That's a beauty, guys. That's a beautiful stock going to the upside here. That's a beauty. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch this one. I was thinking, I got a little bit scared around this area and I sold off. Not knowing, look at that, guys. Ooh, that's one hell of a power play. Now, if we take a look at Dito on the 5 minute, now that's what you call buyers all day session there. Ooh, did not even give a chance to the bears to do it, right? To the sellers, all buyers. Whew. Okay, so thank you very much for taking your time to listening in my small market review. This is only for educational purposes. I'm not telling you what to do to buy or to sell. This is what I'm trying to do, and I would like to ask you guys if you want to comment or if you want any stock for me to analyze, just put it in the comments down below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to do some support. And thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your evening. Take care.